Hey, welcome back. Now that you have designed experiments around your assumptions behind the business model that you have in mind, let me give you a bit more inspiration from companies that have done this in a very systematic way. Let's start out with Zappos. The founder of Zappos was probably the first person who wanted to sell shoes online. Today, we all know there's plenty of evidence that people are willing to buy shoes online. Back then, that was not the case. And it was, of course, the most important assumption about that business model. If you want to sell shoes online, you need to verify that people are willing to buy shoes online. Instead of buying a bunch of shoes as inventory and putting them in a warehouse, he decided to run a simple experiment. So he set up a fairly simple website, went to the shoe store next door, took a bunch of pictures, listed the price, and put all of that on the website. And whenever an order came through, he would go to the store, buy the shoes, put them in the mail, and ship them to the customer. Ultimately, he not only verified or got evidence around the case that people are willing to buy shoes online, he also verified a bunch of other assumptions. Number one, how many shoes would people buy if they have uncertainty around the fitting of the shoe? Number two, when people return the shoes, in what kind of quality do they come back? Number three, which types of shoes are going to be bought primarily online? You can see that with a simple and cheap experiment, he could assess a bunch of these assumptions and see whether they are correct or not. Ultimately, Zappos turned out to be a huge success and sold to Amazon for around $1 billion a few years later. In our next video, we will explore another example of an organization that used testing business ideas in a systematic way to build a successful business. I'll see you there.